Welcome to Fails Components. Fails stands for Fancy Automated Internet Lecture System. Fails is open source and developed by people lecturing at a university in the natural science department. It is also designed with data privacy and security in mind. With Fails, I can not only participate in polls from my teacher, but I can also ask questions, follow the Blackboard notes on my notepad, tablet, or phone, and I can also annotate the notes during the lecture. Fails runs completely in my browser. Fails is fully integrated into our schools or universities' systems. Fails automatically generates PDFs that I can download to learn for the exam and for life. Fails can be used at universities, but it is also useful in schools. This video provides a basic introduction to using Fails as a student. Now, let me show you how it works. I open the browser and go to the course in our learning management system. Our school uses a modified Moodle, but ask your teacher about the system at your school. Then I select the Fails activity for the lesson or lecture. See, there are two buttons in the Get Script box, PDF Color and PDF Black and White. If I press the button, I get the lecture notes either in black and white or in color. So I do not have to take notes anymore, even though my teacher says I should. Oh! See, the lecture starts, the lecture is running, panel is there. Now I press the Join Lecture button and the lecture starts on my tablet. See? The Blackboard is on my tablet and the teacher is writing. Ugh! I have no idea what a Hamiltonian is. Yesterday I just learned the number 20. The teacher started a poll. Now I can select one of the answers. My teacher will not know which answer I selected. Polls and Fails are completely anonymous. But with my ballot ID, I can later check if my vote was counted thanks to some complicated cryptographic magic stuff. The other students are now also ready and I can see how many took the same answer. Hopefully, the teacher will tell me what the right answer was. I can also send a question to the Blackboard. See, I press the chat button. In the box, I can type in the question with some silly latex math, even though I do not know what this is. Then I send the message to the main Blackboard. My name is truncated on the main Blackboard so that in large groups I remain a bit anonymous, so I can ask very silly questions. But my teacher says I should be nice and stay polite and should not use curse words. Whoa, the teacher is scrolling the Blackboard and my device automatically follows. That's awesome. But I can turn this on and off by pressing the lock button. If scrolling is not locked, I can freely scroll by using the arrow buttons. If scrolling is locked, I can still scroll relative to the classroom's Blackboard and my device still follows my teacher's Blackboard scrolling. Note-taking. My favorite. I can draw on the Blackboard myself for private notes. Press the button for notes-taking. Since the notes are stored on my device and not on the school's server, the browser warns if the notes are not made permanent. But my best friend showed me, I have just to add the Fails webpage to my favorites or install it as an app. Then my notes are made permanent the next time I start note-taking. Now, in notes-taking mode, I press the pen button and have a pen. If I press several times, color and pen size buttons appear. Or press the marker button for the shiny text markers. So I can make important notes during the lectures like fluffy unicorns. Sometimes I mark important stuff for the tests. The undo button undoes the last drawing. If I like to move the unicorns, I mark them with the magic wand and move them. Pressing the trash icon would delete them, but I never do this to my unicorns. Every time I start drawing, the scrolling is automatically unlocked, so the teacher cannot interfere with unicorn drawing. Once the lecture is over, I can go back to the online course, and I can now select if the lecture notes should include my unicorns or not. And that's it. You see, learning with Fails is fun. Thank you for listening. I am Anna. I am not human but a neural voice of Microsoft's Azure Text-to-Speech service, and Crayon.com helped me with the unicorn. Please check out the other videos about Fails components. I wish you happy failing.